Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem that uses U-substitution. So the problem is the integral of 8x plus 6 all over 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 dx. So if we let u be equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, then let's derive it. Du is equal to 4x plus 3 quantity dx. So we can notice here that we can't see anything 4x plus 3 in the original equation. But we can notice here that we can actually factor out 2 here. So let's try that. So let's rewrite the equation as, let's factor out 2. And that would be 8x divided by 2, that is 4x. 6 divided by 2, that is 3 dx all over 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. So let's now substitute 2, and this is equal to u. This whole expression here is equal to du, and the denominator is equal to u. Let's put a constant before the integral. 2 integral of du over u. If we integrate du over u, that is equal to ln u, 2 ln u. But we know that u is equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. So let's substitute that back. 2 ln 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 plus c. Forgot plus c here. Or we can rewrite this as ln 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 raised to 2 plus c. So either way, either of these two, they are still correct.